What's up guys, welcome back in All Academy. So guys, today I will talk about the how can you fill the NDA examination form in your mobile phone while at sitting at a home. So friend, this is just so simple task and so easily you can fill the NDA examination form. So currently the NDA examination form has been now announced and the students has been filled up. So friends, there is a many mobile browser in your phone like Mozilla Firefox and Chrome browsers and Google. So first off we select any browser. Here we can select the Google and the Chrome browser. So here we type the UPSC official website. So now we click UPSC official website, UPSC. Click UPSC. Now we click the UPSC, the website will be open. So welcome to UPSC website, content managed by content owned by Union Public Service Commission. So we click, and then here the Sangh Lok Seva Ayog, that is the Union Public Service Commission. The full form of the UPSC is known as the Union Public Service Commission, and this is one of the biggest examination conductor which conduct the many examinations like CDS and NDA examination, Combined Defense Service and National Defense Academy and FCAT. This is a now here you can see the different notification panel will appear. Reserve list, civil service examination 2019 final list, post of administration. So friends, we select the National Defense Academy examination form. So here we can see result out and combined defense service examination, and one notification panel we see here, NDA commerce and just a second, civil service examination, administration, post administration, national, here examination notification, National Defense Academy. We click here, we click. So here Union Public Service Commission appearing, and this is the Indian power of empower. Okay. So name of the examination, Combined Defense Service examinations here, and the documents type, public discourse of the mark and the details here. And one thing is documentation, documents here, documents appear. What is this? This is information about the examination documents. You can also download as a PDF in your mobile phone. So first of we click their link to fill a form. We click, I click the link. 1 second, just to swipe here, and here we click. Just a second, friends. Link does not appear. So guys, here click here, and now the Union Public Service Commissions, then UPSC, the main page will be open this form. So friends, there is a two registration, part 1 and part 2. The part 1 has this, that is Bhag 1 and Bhag 2 in Hindi. So click here for part 1 registration, then we go to part 2. So here we click the part 1. So here the National Defense Academy Naval Academy Examination 2021 ऑनलाइन आवेदन पत्र भरने के बारे में तुरंत से देखिए, यहाँ पर आप पढ़ सकते हैं. Candidates are advised to go through instruction carefully when filling of the applications, online submissions, and here now we can go. Yes, we can click the yes. Now we click the yes, and now the personal details will appear. The form, original form will be appear here. This the part 1 registration, payments and photo, signed identity cards and central selections and agreeing declaration. देखिए यहाँ पर center selection, ठीक है.